Hello. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for keeping it simple with me. Today I'm going to be making a lazy pasta recipe. When I tell you lazy, I mean lazy. Stay tuned, guys. Here I have some pasta that I had laying around in the fridge. To get rid of that extra stickiness, starchy texture, I went ahead and rinsed it with cold water and drained them. Now let's make a sauce, will we? Now I'm going to add some powdered seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, some chili flakes. And yeah, you're keeping it simple with this sauce, honey, because you're looking for a particular taste, and the taste is in the sauce. Here I have some chief all-purpose seasoning. This is gonna add that extra flavor that I'm looking for. This is the secret that is in the sauce. And I'm gonna add some soy sauce. You can add some oyster sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I do not like that word. Who came up with that name? I'm gonna add some ketchup here, some warm water, and I'm gonna give that a mix and set that aside. And when I tell you this recipe is lazy, I hope everyone know how to boil some pasta. You pop them in some hot water and let them cook. You don't want them to overcook, because overcooked pasta don't taste good, period. Gonna be mushy, and that won't taste good. Stir your sauce and put it aside. Gonna add some vegetable oil, and I'm using medium heat. Swirl it around to get the pan nice and coated. You can use olive oil, whatever oil you want. I'm going to add some chopped onion to this, some shredded carrots. You can use julienne strips, or you can just use chunks, whatever carrot you want to use. Add some garlic there and some bell peppers, red, green, and yellow for color. Yeah, I eat with my eyes. I like flavor too, honey, but I like my food looking pretty. Gonna stir fry that a little bit for about a minute. And yes, we want it to be crunchy, so we ain't gonna overcook our vegetables for them to be all soggy, honey. I don't want to encourage somebody who might be going through something today: depression, anxiety, insomnia. Yeah, we know mental illness is real, guys. I want to encourage you to hold on to Jesus, honey. Talk to him, cry out to him from your heart. He is always listening. He loves us with an everlasting love, honey. Cry out to God. He is always close to the brokenhearted. Oh, hallelujah. Now I'm going to add my sauce in there. I'm sorry, guys. Let it bubble a little bit. Then I'm going to add my pasta, and I'm just going to toss that around and get them all nice and coated, and we're all done. That's it. That's it. Lazy pasta day, honey. That's it. You can add some corn to this, some green peas, whatever you want. Just play around with it, guys. Play around with it. Whatever you want, you can just toss in there. Once everything is coated, everybody nice and happy and well united, you can enjoy. You can even add some chicken pieces to this if you want, honey. Enjoy this with a piece of fried fish or fried chicken, baked fish, whatever, grill, jerk chicken, jerk shrimp, whatever you want, and enjoy. But as for me, I'm just going to eat this as it is with a tossed salad. Plate it up and enjoy. I hope you try this recipe. It is delicious. It is delicious. It is delicious. My favorite word, I know, but it is actually delicious, guys. And as I was telling you earlier, hold on to Jesus, honey. He is the answer, and he answers prayer. Sprinkle some chili flakes on there, make it look pretty, and that's it. Look at the color, and it smells lovely. I hope you guys try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.